Okay, so guys, I have developed a little electric problem on my Keyway. So when I want to turn it on, uh, you will see that the actual light has turned on, but over here, all we have is the parking light. So no low beam. So I'm gonna have to sort that out. And the best, so yeah, this is what it looks like. We go over here, we got the inside looking like that. Yeah, so sometimes it loses the contact. These little prongs will lose contact, so you gotta make sure that they're on it. However, that still doesn't give us the low beam, as you can see. Only the parking light. I had a bit of a problem with my light. Well, that's sorted now, all due to my friend's advice to use the glove to actually replace the bulb. Because what I've done is, by taking it out with my bare hands, I actually short-circuited it, and even though the filament is not broken inside, I've short-circuited it with my own body. So use these sort of neutral gloves, you know, that the mechanics use or the medical staff use. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you now. You see now there's no light showing up. Like I thought he was getting earth, but it's not. So if we start it, there you go, straight away. Of course there's light. Let there be light. Yeah, so use the gloves, guys, when changing the bulb.